Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, if you want to connect with me, you can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHA T 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. Uh, and friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called why do human being have pride or ego? Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called in what way is pride harmful? This topic. Okay, friends. So this topic I'm going to cover in today's video, and this is the 186 number video, and the topic is in what way is pride harmful. Okay, so let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. Loss, pride leads to loss of judgment. When you are proud, you operate completely from the physical mind, and physical mind has very little to do with making the right spiritual choice. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that when we work with our physical mind, it is quite possibility that we make a wrong decision. We make a wrong decision because our physical mind have very little capacity to make the correct spiritual decision, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. Your judgment is spiritually impaired because you are not using the subconscious mind, and your ego prevents you from listening to someone else. Okay, so here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri that our subconscious mind we are not using as we are using our physical mind due to ego, and there is quite possibility that we end up with the wrong decision, and which is not at all good for our spiritual growth, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagri. It make you believe that your point of view is the only point of view. So it make us believe that our physical mind, our point of view is only our point of view and it cannot be wrong at any point of time, but there is quite possibility that our point of view can be wrong. According to a physical mind it may be correct, but according to a subconscious mind and for our spiritual growth and development, there is quite possibility that it is a wrong decision, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshin Bhavnagri. Also, you are so concerned with what other people think and how they should perceive you that you end up making choice based on what they think. And even we are much concerned about what other people think about us, and we always try to create a goody goody image in front of other people, which may end up making wrong choice in our spiritual growth, friend growth and development, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. Your choice may not have anything to do with the truth. So many a time what happen, our choice may have nothing to do with the actual truth, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. Spiritual downfall. Pride prevent you from acknowledging God. So this is a very important statement, friends, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. There is quite possibility that pride prevent us from acknowledging God. We stop acknowledging God and we say whatever is happening in this world, we are creating. We are the creator of the God. So we are the creator of the world. So we get more and more ego, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshet Bhavnagari. It makes you believe that there cannot be a higher power. It convinces you that you are an intellectual being and as such. So pride makes us understand that we are everything and there cannot be any higher power, and whatever we are doing, that's on the correct, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. You need rational reason for believing in God. Pride gives you too much importance to the intellect and no importance to the subconscious mind. So here pride keep us giving too much importance to the physical mind and the intellect, but it doesn't give any importance to the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari, friends. Okay, which known subconscious mind, which known that God exists. A truly balanced person, intellect and subconscious mind will work in alignment. So, and truly spiritually uplifted person, his or her subconscious mind and physical mind, that is intellect, it is going to work in a proper alignment, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Lower vibration. If you do something negative, the result is negative. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari that if we do anything negative in our life, and the result of that act is also going to be negative, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Think of this negative energy as a dark cloud around your head that prevents light from coming through. So we can think this negative energy as dark cloud over our head, which prevents light coming the next side of it, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. If light wisdom cannot come through, your judgment become impaired even further. So if the light is unable to come, so our judgment is going to become more worst and worst further and further, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. This creates a cycle wherein you make even weaker choice. So this is going to create a cycle in which we are going to even make a weaker choice, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Wrong action builds up negative vibration. Your low vibration affects you. So wrong action builds the negative vibration, and our low vibration anyways affects us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. As well as those around you, as well as those who are living around us, our negative vibration is going to also affect those souls also, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. They will sense this negative cloud around you and stay away. So those people are also going to say they are going to sense negative cloud again around us, and they are going to stay away from us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Also negative energy around you attracts more negative energy. So even the negative energy around us, it is also going to attract more energy, friends, more negative energy, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Injustice. The ego makes you believe that you are always right, no matter what. So, our ego always makes us believe that we are right no matter what, friends. Okay. So, this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Therefore, instead of being open minded, your understanding of the situation will be limited. So, apart from being open minded, our understanding of the situation is going to be limited, friends. Okay. So, this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. And you will face and you will force your opinion on others, and we are also going to force our opinion on other souls, which is not at all correct, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. You will thus go against their free will, which is a great injustice. So we are going to go against those free wills of the other souls, which is completely injustice, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Unfortunately, you will fail to see it that way, as you will be blinded by your ego, and we are also going to fail it seeing in that way, in which way it is actually there, because we are going to be blinded by our ego, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Jealousy. It is your ego that compares your journey with someone else. So it is often our ego that always complete our journey with compares our journey with somebody else's journey, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Instead of gratefully accepting the gifts you have, the ego will make you focus on what you do not have. So apart from accepting that what gifts we have, our ego is going to make us focus on what gifts we do not have in life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Portion Bhavnagri. Not only that, it will make you resent the gifts and accomplishment of others. So it is also going to make us resent the gifts and accomplishment of others. So what other people are doing in their life, their success, so we are going to be jealous from their success, friends. Okay, which is not going to be a good for our spiritual growth and development in this earth plane, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Poshan Bhavnagri. The ego makes you an insecure and jealous being. So anyways, the ego is also going to make us insecure and the jealous being, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. This content, one of the most important lesson a person must learn on the earth is to be content. So it is this lesson, that is content, which is very important lesson which all the souls need to be learned, need to learn in this earth plane, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Ego is an outcome of the physical mind. It makes you want more and more. So ego is basically outcome of our physical mind, and it always makes us want more and more, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. If you have an ego, you are always exercising the physical mind and give it too much power. So if we have ego, we are always exercising our physical mind and we are giving it too much authority and power, friends. Okay, and which is dangerous, friends, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. The physical mind goes far beyond earthly needs and create desire. So our physical mind is going to go more away from the earthly need, and which is going to create desire, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. You then give in to those desire and purse wealth. So we are going to give it to to those to the desire and to purse wealth, friend. Okay, power and fame. Even after acquiring this, you are not satisfied. So even after acquiring power, ego, fame, money, we are not going to be satisfied in our life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. You are still not constant. The ego makes you want things. So still we are not going to be consent, and ego is going to make us want things, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. But when those want are met, the ego creates new wants. So when those want will be met, the ego will be creating a new want, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. You continue to feel those wants, give them more importance and power. So we are going to create more and more wants, such type of wants, and we are going to give more and more power and oxygen to those type of wants, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. But if you are humble, you are exercising the subconscious mind. So but in the other hand, friends, if we are humble, we are exercising the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. And the need of the subconscious mind is focused and very simple, and the need of our subconscious mind is completely focused and it is very simple, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is sharing to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. It is only concerned about doing what is spiritually right. So it is only concerned about doing what is spiritually right, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Also, when you are humble enough to follow the advice of the subconscious mind, it gives you something in return. So, a feeling of peace. So, when we are humble enough of following the subconscious mind instruction, so it gives us something in return, that is our feeling of the peace, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Contentment is a result of following the advice of the subconscious mind. So contentment is the result of following the advice of the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. So friend, here a chart is made. I will show you this chart. Okay, here it is written. You can see, friends, the subconscious mind gives you advice, then afterwards it comes, since you are humble, you follow the advice, you follow the advice, you follow that advice by taking positive spiritual action. After that it comes, as a result of positive action, the subconscious mind gives you a feeling of peace. After that it comes, the feeling of peace gives you the strength to listen to the subconscious mind again and take more spiritually action, and therefore rise spiritually. So this is a chart basically. So in first it is written, the subconscious mind gives you one advice, okay. Then it is written, we since we are humble, we follow that advice of the we follow that advice by taking positive spiritual action. So whatever advice we get, we take the positive spiritual action. This is the second step. Then the third step is, as a result of positive action, the subconscious mind gives you a feeling of peace. So as we take a positive step, our subconscious mind gives us the feeling of peace, friends. Okay, so this is the third step. After that, what happens? The fourth step is, that feeling of peace gives you the strength to listen to the subconscious mind again and again and take more spiritual action, and therefore rise spiritually. So this feeling of peace, which motivates us to listen more and more time to our subconscious mind, and which help us to rise spiritually, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. After that it comes enemies. Due to the rash and irrational behavior, you create enemy at the time your ego will say so. Due to our rash and irrational behavior, at the point of time we keep on creating new enemies, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. I don't care, but later on, when it is too late, you will regret it. So, at the initial stage, you will say, I don't care, all these things. Well, let enemies be created. But afterwards, in the after stage, you are going to regret this, friends. Okay. So, this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Loss of relationship. Relationship are about coexistence, and pride goes against the concept of coexistence because it is about superiority. So friends, here relationship means the relationship are means about coexisting with each other, but when pride comes against the concept, so we go away from each other in the superiority complex, friends, about the concept of coexisting, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Therefore it is impossible to have a healthy relationship, as ego will always form barriers. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari, it is very difficult to have a healthy relationship, as ego is going to form a always form a barrier in front of us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari, friends. Okay, expectation. The ego creates expectation, it has a fixed agenda. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari that ego creates an expectation, and it have a fixed agenda, friends. Okay, its way of thinking is, no matter what, this has to be done. So whatever, no matter what the way ego thinks, but it is very important that we fulfill and we give oxygen to the feeling of our ego, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari, and has to come my way. So this is ego, and it has to come my way, it is ego, friends. Okay, this is the true cause of misery, because the ego cannot cope with its agenda in not fulfilling. So it is the true concept of misery, friends, of being poor, because our ego cannot cope of even being poor also, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Agenda is not fulfilled. It gets patient and does not understand that timing is in the hands of the higher power. So many a time our ego get patience, lose this patience, and even are unable to understand nothing is in our hand, it is all in the hand of the higher power, that is Lord Almighty, friends. Okay, God Almighty. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. Moreover, expectation creates anxiety because they build necessary pressure. So moreover, expectation creates even anxiety because it keep on building a negative pressure, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavnagari. The ego makes you expect a thing from yourself, from others, and create a false need to live up to the others' expectation. So the ego makes you feel expectation, expect things from you and even from the other people, and which make us false, which make us fall more and more spiritually lower, friends. Okay, and we keep on expecting different, each and every different thing from other people, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshed Bhavnagri. Try not to create expectation, but always keep hope alive. So we should never try to create expectation, and we should always keep our hope alive, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshed Bhavnagri. The ego does not know the meaning of hope, as you have to depend on sometime outside of yourself. So as ego doesn't know the meaning of hope, so we have to depend on outside something ourselves, which is thing which is our outside ourselves, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshed Bhavnagri, which means complete surrender of the outcome and leaving rooms for God's plan. So that means we should completely surrender to God, and we should leave everything on the God's plan, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshed Bhavnagri. The ego cannot handle this, as it know only control of self and other. So ego cannot control this, because only ego knows only to control ourself and to other soul, friends. Okay, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshed Bhavnagri. So friends, this topic came to an end, and as I always say, friends, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, in our last topic I have covered the concept called how do human being find have a pride or ego. And friends, in our today's topic no friends, in our today's topic I've covered the concept called in what way is pride harmful. So this was today's topic, and in next topic I will be covering, friends, that is, are people born to do they acquire this quality over time, friends. Okay, are people born proud, or they acquire this quality over time, friends. Okay, so this is the shall be completing the next video, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. I'll meet you in the next video.